Hello student, welcome to the 7th session of solid state. In previous video we had seen the flowchart of defect. Defects are of three types: point defect, line defect and point defect, and we are concentrating on only point defect. Point defect are also of three types: stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric and impurity. And in today's lecture I will teach you stoichiometric defect, types of stoichiometric defect. First is a vacancy defect, then second is a self interstitial defect, next one is a Schottky and Frenkel. But in today's video I will teach you only two defects: vacancy defect and self interstitial defect. So let us study what is mean by vacancy defect. Look at this diagram. This is a crystal structure and it is made up of cations and anions, and one particle in this crystal, one particle is missing and it creates a vacancy. So during the crystallization of solid, a particle is missing. Particle is missing from crystal lattice. During crystallization, a particle is missing from a crystal lattice. The missing particle creates vacancy. This missing particle creates vacancy and it is said to be vacancy defect. So it is said to be vacancy defect. And these defects can be developed by heating. It is developed by heating. If we heat the any crystal structure, this vacancy arises. A particle is missing from the crystal lattice. During this crystallization, this missing particle creates a vacancy, and it is said to be vacancy defect, and this defect is developed by heating of the solid. Due to absence of particle, look at this, there is a one particle is missing and it is absent. The mass decreases due to absence of, fifth point, due to absence of particle, the mass of the crystal structure decreases. Mass decreases, volume remains unchanged but its density decreases. Density decreases. Why density decreases? Because density is equals to mass upon volume. As the mass decreases, density is also decreases. Is it clear? Vacancy defect arises due to the missing particle. It creates a vacancy, and due to absence of this particle, its mass decreases, volume remains unchanged but its mass decreases, and therefore density also decreases. Now next type is self interstitial defect. When some particles of crystalline solid occupy interstitial space is called as self interstitial defect. If one particle, extra particle, occupies the interstitial space, then this type of defect arises, and these defects occurs in the following two ways. This one first way and this is a second way, two ways. An extra particle occupy an empty space. जिधर भी empty space है वहाँ अगर occupy करता है, it is interstitial defect, and an extra particle occupies an empty interstitial space in the crystal structure. Okay, so extra particle increases its mass. These are two extra particles in this crystal lattice, so it increases mass, and automatically its density also increases. This point is very important. Density increases. ये CET में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं ऐसे. So in interstitial defect, two or more extra particles occupy the interstitial space. As a result, its mass increases and its density also increases. And second way is, in an elemental solid particle get shifted from its original lattice point and occupies interstitial space. Means in this case there is a vacancy and interstitial. In this type of defect there is a combination of vacancy and interstitial defect. Vacancy and interstitial defect. First, one particle is missing in this crystal structure and create a vacancy, and this particle goes into the interstitial space. So it is a combination of both the type of defects, that is vacancy defect and interstitial defect. As there is no change in its mass, so density remains unchanged. There is no change in its mass, so its density also remains unchanged. Is it clear? Vacancy defect arises due to missing particle and interstitial defect arises due to the extra particle in a interstitial space, and they are of two ways. First one is extra particle occupies interstitial space. In this case density increases as mass increases, but in second way there is a vacancy created and one particle is missing from this crystal, but this particle is occupied in another interstitial space, so its mass remains unchanged and therefore density also remains unchanged. Goodbye. In next video I will teach you Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. Thank you for watching.